West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee reportedly lashed out at the centre during the meet with Prime Minister Modi for playing politics over the issue of Shramik special trains. She also opposed the resumption of passenger train services. She said India's federal structure must be respected and the centre must talk to states before ending the lockdown and allowing resumption of other services. States like Punjab, Maharashtra, West Bengal and Telangana have advised a cautious lifting of the lockdown. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal asked for economic activity to resume except for in containment zones. Tamil Nadu joined West Bengal in requesting for a hold on passenger train services to Chennai. Prime Minister Modi is learned to have told chief ministers that economic activities will resume, but the biggest challenge would be to ensure that the infection does not spread to India's villages. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray asked for central forces to be deployed in addition to police personnel to give the latter a break as they are overworked and are also getting infected. Some also have unfortunately succumbed to the disease. The centre has asked states to ensure migrant labourers do not walk on the road or railway tracks to reach home. It has asked them to counsel such labourers and put them in shelters. The development comes in the backdrop of 16 migrant labourers being crushed to death by a train near Aurangabad last week, and many are also meeting fatal accidents routinely on roads while attempting to walk back to their homes amid the coronavirus lockdown. As a special train with migrants was rolling out of a station on Sunday, Congress-ruled Punjab, each passenger was handed a pamphlet where it was written that your ticket was paid for by Sonia Gandhi. The flyers were distributed at Bhatinda station by a Congress MLA. The MLA, Amarinder Raja Waring, showed up with a contingent of Congress workers to see off the migrants heading to Bihar's Muzaffarpur and ensure that they knew who their benefactor was. For the first time since its inception, the Supreme Court will have a single-judge bench hearing certain kinds of petitions from Wednesday. The new system is being introduced to dispose of piled-up pending cases. A Supreme Court bench typically has at least 2 judges. The single-judge bench will hear appeals of bail and anticipatory bail petitions in cases that involve offences liable for punishment of not more than 7-year jail term. The government has said that as the train services restart tomorrow for limited operations, passengers will need to be at the station 90 minutes in advance and entry will be stopped 15 minutes before the trains leave. The passengers will be screened before they enter the station and only those who are asymptomatic will be allowed to board. Passengers have also been asked to travel with light luggage. They have to follow social distancing and keep their masks on throughout the journey.